We all have dreams, hopes for the future. These dreams can be as varied as the people who hold them. Maybe you yearn for a new home, a fulfilling career, or vibrant health. These aspirations are what drive us forward. These desires are the seeds of creation, waiting to be nurtured and grown. But how do we nurture these seeds into reality? How do we ensure they grow into the dreams we envision? How do we bridge the gap between dreaming and doing? The journey from imagination to realization can seem daunting. The answer lies in the power of visualization, a technique that has been used by successful people for generations. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting our desires, helping us to see and believe in our goals. And at the heart of this practice lies the vision board, a visual representation of our dreams and goals. Vision boards have surged in popularity, becoming a beloved practice for many. They have captivated hearts and minds around the world, transcending cultural and geographical boundaries. They are more than just collections of pretty pictures. They are tangible representations of our innermost aspirations and dreams. Vision boards serve as daily reminders of what we're working towards, keeping our goals in sight and in mind. They serve as daily reminders of what we're working towards, fueling our motivation and keeping us on track. By creating a vision board, you're taking the first step towards transforming your dreams into reality. It's a commitment to yourself and your future. By visualizing your goals and dreams, you set the stage for success, turning your aspirations into achievable milestones. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals and aspirations. It's a collage of images, quotes, and affirmations that resonate with your deepest desires. It can take many forms, from a physical corkboard adorned with magazine cutouts to a digital masterpiece created on your computer or smartphone. The key is to choose a format that speaks to you, one that you'll be drawn to and inspired by every day. Don't be afraid to get creative. Experiment with different textures, colors, and materials. Add personal touches such as mementos from special moments or fabric swatches that evoke your dream destinations. Your vision board should be a reflection of your unique personality and aspirations. While vision boards may seem like whimsical creations, their effectiveness is rooted in science. Our brains are wired to respond to visual stimuli. When we repeatedly expose ourselves to images and affirmations that align with our goals, we're essentially reprogramming our subconscious minds. This consistent visualization strengthens our belief in the possibility of achieving those goals. Vision boards also help to enhance our focus. In our busy lives, it's easy to get sidetracked by distractions. But when we have a visual reminder of our priorities, we're more likely to stay committed to our goals. By keeping our vision boards in a prominent location, we ensure that our aspirations remain at the forefront of our minds. Creating your 2025 vision board, a step-by-step guide. Ready to embark on your vision board journey? This guide will walk you through each step to ensure your vision board is a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you manifest your 2025 goals. First, set clear goals. Think deeply about what you truly want to achieve. Get specific about what you want to achieve by the end of 2025. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. Write them down in detail using action-oriented language. This will help you stay focused and motivated. Next, gather inspiration. Collect images, quotes, and affirmations that resonate with your goals. These visual elements will serve as daily reminders of your aspirations. Browse magazines, explore online platforms like Pinterest, or print out personal photos. The more personalized, the better. Then choose your canvas. Decide whether you prefer a physical or digital vision board. Each has its own benefits, so choose what works best for you. Gather your materials: a corkboard, poster board, glue, scissors, or a design software program. Make sure you have everything you need before you start. After that, arrange and adhere. Lay out your images and text in a way that feels right to you. Play with different layouts and arrangements. Don't be afraid to move things around until it feels perfect. Once you're happy with the design, secure your images and text to your chosen canvas. Use glue, pins, or digital tools to keep everything in place. Finally, place it strategically. Display your vision board in a location where you'll see it daily, such as your bedroom, workspace, or bathroom mirror. This constant visual reminder will keep you aligned with your goals and motivated to achieve them. Igniting your dreams. The power of emotion. Creating a vision board is only the first step. To truly unlock its power, you need to infuse it with emotion. Your vision board shouldn't just be a visual representation of your goals. It should evoke feelings of joy, excitement, and gratitude. Take the time to connect with each image and affirmation on your board. Visualize yourself living your dream life. Feel the emotions as if your goals have already manifested. The more emotion you pour into your vision board, the more powerful it becomes. Visionaries and their board stories of success. Countless individuals have attributed their success to the power of vision boards. These boards serve as a visual representation of their dreams and aspirations, helping them stay focused and motivated. Oprah Winfrey, a renowned advocate for visualization, has spoken openly about how vision boards have helped her manifest her dreams. She believes that seeing her goals every day keeps her aligned with her purpose. From her early days as a news anchor to her rise as a media mogul, Oprah has used vision boards to stay focused on her goals. Her journey is a testament to the power of visualization and perseverance. Another inspiring example is Jim Carrey, who famously wrote himself a $10 million check back in 1987. He kept it in his wallet as a constant reminder of his dreams. He visualized himself achieving success as an actor, and years later he received that exact amount for his role in Dumb and Dumber. His story shows the incredible power of belief and visualization. These stories serve as powerful reminders that anything is possible when we combine visualization with belief and action. Vision boards are not just about dreaming, they are about setting a clear path and taking steps towards achieving those dreams. Your 2025 vision awaits. As we stand on the cusp of a new year, it's the perfect time to start envisioning the possibilities that 2025 holds. Don't let your dreams remain dormant. Embrace the power of visualization and create a vision board that reflects your deepest desires. Believe in the magic of manifestation and watch as your dreams begin to unfold before your very eyes. Your 2025 vision awaits.